Yeah. Started with a plan and a blank screen. Turn it to a blueprint for the whole team. Everyday people, big league dream. Log in, light up, data in my face, no love. I can see the story in the lines. Every candle talking about decline. Clarity, cut a little noise for me. Dashboard steady hard on knees. I ain't guessing I got keys. Rob at division like why not them? Why can't it nurse straight like a top 10? Why can't it keep from a small town?
Thank you, challenge.
And watch him begin. Wealth charts. I'm reading my future in the sparks. Simplicity guiding me through the dark. Building it brick by brick, day by day. Yeah, we move with purpose and precision in our way. Modern minds making freedom from the way. Robbed you the map, now we chart our own page. Wealth charts, everyday people on their way. Numbers on the screen, but I see time. Minutes and the miles on the same grind. Smart tech turning into pads. Risk in my hand, I can do the math. Split my screen, got my goals in view. Red, green, off eating what I do. No more fear when the trend pulls back.
Gracias,
I got rules, I don't gotta react.
Thank you guys for the birthday wishes.
Trust in the system built on trust. Teacher and a trader, that's a double edge. Cutting out the doubt, putting hope in the web charts. I'm reading my future in the spark. Simplicity guiding me through the dark. Building it brick by brick, day by day. Yeah, we move with purpose and precision in our way. Modern minds making freedom from the way. Robbed you the map, now we chart our own page. Well charts, everyday people on their way. I can see the life I pick. Zoom in, every level, every tick. One screen, it's bigger than
That Burger King hat, dude, got me rolling. The Burger King hat.
I'm reading my future in the stars. Simplicity guiding me through the dark. Building it brick by brick, day by day. Yeah, we move with purpose and precision in our way. Modern minds making freedom from the waves. Robbed you the map, now we chart our own page. Well charts, everyday people on their way. Everyday people on their way. Everyday people on their way.
Yeah, we call it the wick and flip. Might see a move come your way, then dip. Oh, wick and flip. A move come your way, then dip. But once you catch the flip, then it goes up quick. So we bank on the move. Bank, 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 bank on the move.
Range is getting tighter and tighter. It's right now, it might be just range until Nvidia earnings. Thank y'all for the birthday wishes. Appreciate y'all. Like, look at SPX pumping and NQ is not budging. Like, NQ is not moving at all. The divergence today has been insane. See the sector like hold above 74. It needs to be more. I want to see it stay above 70 as well. Look at SPX. Look at SPX. SPX has these gaps up here. It's got 4 gaps. I wouldn't be surprised if they get filled and then. Oh, there's. Oh my God, there's so many. Holy shit. Okay. About 7 gaps. And the Nvidia earnings might just do a fill and then a rejection. Maybe we'll see. We will see. closed above 74 by 1.4 barely.
Pockets getting tight, it's the end of the month. And you finally see a setup and you wanna get in front. You know how you
The divergence between the two has been very wild today.
go see a trade you want. The charge calling out your name. And you see the play you need to make. And you think, man, it don't be sick if I miss it. The feel missing now, they got you acting different. Cause you just wanna go all in. And you know it probably gon' end up in a loss. It's hard to just be patient. But you know you gotta wait for confirmation. You gotta wait for confirmation. You gotta wait for confirmation. You gotta wait for confirmation.
Go. Finally gonna go. SPX is still pushing, NQ is just like lagging ass. SPX is racing up and NQ is just not budging. Let's take a look at gold. Oh wait, metals were halted. I forgot. Okay. I forgot metals were halted. You know what? Hold on.
She was trading gold for a decade or so. And it's heavy to
Take a look at why.
Can't compare to the gold, it's incomparable. They say everything gold, but I'm checking the code. Every single investment I get in my zone. But they never the best, it ain't ever the most. Her level of flexing, she never opposed. Never the type to be shy, never the type to get goals. In her zone. She's so cold. I try to win her heart, but I know it's already sold. And she don't got the time for somebody she can't control. And I can't waste my life on somebody I can't console. But I'm holding on to hope. So if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. If you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, the gold queen, I said the gold queen. Yeah, I felt for the first time I heard the phone ring. The day she said she met a man who tried to sell her a dream. And she said, no thanks, I got enough already, but you get in my team. She's traveled the world and made a living. Off of any place with Wi-Fi and electricity. She's still getting money if it's connected to the city. And still no man in her life that can keep her in life. And it's worthy of a legend in the making. A woman who can live a whole life off of trading. They called her Jane, she was born in the 80s. But there's no way I could put my heart on the line. A woman with the confidence to look in my eyes and tell me she could change my life if I give her my time. And there's no man on this planet who would try and let it slip out of his fingers in the night. And I power of a woman with a brilliant mind. And I was lucky enough to call her mine for one night. So if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. If you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. I mean, if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I said I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I said I'm down to do the right thing. Gold queen.
Let's get in this. 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 I can be your number one. We know it's overdone, but I Wants to see the universe, wants to see it first. On a private plane, doesn't wanna ride commercial. He's so unique and he's so right, but he's so not right for me. And I don't wanna be that guy. Says he's gonna start a revolution, and I don't doubt it. But sometimes I think his vision's an illusion. He sees life through a different lens. He says it's part of the plan, but all I see is the chart going down. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. Says he wants a real one with no filters, and he's found her. But you better buckle up, 'cause he's going in. He said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. Said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. Said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true.
Ooh, I'm blessed. I could see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. At the bottom with my people, we gon' build us up a steeple. We just need a ladder, yeah, a long ladder. At the bottom with my people, we gon' build us up a steeple. We just need a ladder, yeah, a long ladder. Ooh, I'm blessed. I can see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know,
Hell yeah.
Welcome, everybody, to the Power Hour special featuring myself, Logan, the CSO, and Javi the Maestro. It's February 25th, Javi's birthday, the Maestro's birthday today. 2:46. We were trading the last
baby.
hour of the market. Javi, how you doing, brother?
Pretty good, bro. Feeling old. Now I'm in the early parts of my 40s, so I don't celebrate birthdays much. Like, my wife hates that about me. Like, for me, birthdays are a little bit grim, right? One less year we're going to be on this earth, in a sense. That's how I think it. Like, it's a year closer to the demise thing. I think in the dark manner. It's supposed to be happy. But that's me. That's just me. That's the way I've always thought. I've always thought it that way. I know, right? What a way to ruin what's supposed to be a happy birthday. My soul is dead. Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, I can hear Logan, but his camera is not loading for me. His freaking Discord. Look at this range. It hit 40. It hit 67. Popped right down to 64. Bounced right up. So this one, for me, is gone. This 5 minute, God, it's barely broke underneath that guy. want it to get up here to 83. That's where I really want to see it. And beyond 83, right? I know you guys that using the fibs, we got 236 are up here. And then I got the sauce box up here at 434. Like today has been a really nice sauce box day. Like we had a beautiful move and then boom, all the way up. I don't, man, I don't know if we're gonna get up there though. I mean, it's possible. But right now it's stuck in this range. Center point might be that 70. Five minutes holding on to this uptrend for dear life. Does not want to give it up. The Dom is barely moving. Barely moving. What's up, everybody on YouTube? So it is looking like we're going to be in for a snooze fest up until maybe 3:30. You got 8K in Nvidia shares, Logs. Good luck. Hopefully it pumps. Nvidia day tends to be pumpy, right? The last few, or is it like kind of choppy? It tends to be pumpy, and then eventually there's a drop. But there's also these MVGs way up here. These very old MVGs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. I have it up. Hold on. I'm gonna reload. It's okay. Production. When I try to go into Ninja, it says stream ID is already in use in this room. That's what I'm getting. It went in again. So let me know if my charts are on YouTube or not.
Logan, are you trading earnings? No, I'm trading an eval.
We got 5-minute range now. This is my kind of range right here. Top part will be 76. Bottom part will be 64. So this might be the overall range for the 5. This is what we're going to really be looking at. I just reloaded the Ninja. Not sure if it's up or not. Maestro, the 1-hour timer has a big red retracement that sits at 25,400. A big red retracement, like a purple. I don't play retracements on the higher time frames. I don't know how they will play out. I've only played them on the 1. I don't know how far back I'm gonna have to go to see where the candles are up here. I don't think I'm gonna be able to go that far. Maybe we need to try a different browser instead of Chrome. Okay, let me try it.
Yes, fucking don't worry about it. Fucking everybody mind your fucking business. I'm just dealing with some bullshit where I'm trying to get my fucking some bullshit. And also, you guys always question my keyboard. My keyboard just naturally is loud.
Yeah, it says the same thing. It says Stream ID is already in use in this room. I'm getting the exact same message. And I just loaded it up on the what's this shit called? What's the other one? The Microsoft one. So I don't know production what's going on. why my thing is, it says it's only on this one where it says it's already in use. My chart's up again, right? It says Video Ninja is sharing on your screen. It's showing it that it's sharing on my side. So I'm not sure why it does not want to share it on your guys' end. Fortunately, YouTube would not be able to see my charts, but that's okay.
Logan Talk. Hello. Yeah, for real. You guys are upset because I'm not telling you guys every information about every little thing I'm doing. Right now, there's no trade setups. No trades. All right, you guys want to trade? You guys want me to get into a trade right now? You guys want to trade? Okay. Not financial advice. Full port longs. Okay. There you go. Here's a screenshot. Full port longs. Good luck, everybody else.
Ooh, there's a gold VG below.
Good luck. You guys want to trade? Here you go. Take
I
it.
want to see it
Take
get
or
up
leave
to
it.
83.
Full
I mean,
port long.
yeah, let's see if it gets up to
Take it.
83.
Take it or leave it. I don't even care. Just get off my back. There. Now I want to go back to what I was doing. You guys take it or leave it. Not financial advice. You might hit. I don't know. I don't care. I just clicked long because I felt like it. Okay.
I'm waiting. I'm waiting. For me, this needs to break over that 76 area or 65. 65 or 76. Yeah, you know what? I don't think I'm going to be looking at SPX right now. NQ doesn't give a damn what SPX is doing. There could be a golden MVG down below. NQ doesn't care right now. SPX dropping, NQ pumping. Relative strength is there. Or divergence.
$800, $900, $1,000, $1,100, $1,200. Just gonna hold it. I'm just gonna hold it. I don't really care. Win or lose.
Logan
really
full ported long, not a financial advice. I'm waiting. If this can break and hold above 76 on the 5 or below 64.25 on the 5. If this can start to hold above 70, it's going to start looking really good. Want to see it stay above 70. So,
Hobby, do you plan to do
while
anything for
we're
your
watching
birthday?
paint
Well, made
dry,
it.
no, not until the weekend, Saturday, spend time with the fam.
Nice.
Not really. Like, again, I'm not the birthday celebrator. I'm just
We're
not.
men.
Never been.
We're men. We're old. It's not really like
Yeah.
birthdays are for women and children. That's what birthdays are for. Not for us.
Yeah, it's my wife. I know she hates it. It's just never been
It's not a thing.
something I've like celebrated or looked forward to. You know, I think some friends of mine celebrated it with me like a handful of times, maybe twice, maybe 3 times.
I've had like 2 birthdays in the last 18 years.
Yeah, yeah. It's just one of those things for me. It's like, ugh. It's like, don't remind me how old I'm getting, you know? Like, I know it's another year gone by. And yeah, in my wife's country, it's a big deal over there. They celebrate birthdays like it's Yeah, like she said, right? It's like it's a national holiday, like it's the 4th of July. Fireworks going off, everyone's drinking like crazy. I mean, Latin birthdays tend to be like that, but over there, it's like literally a holiday.
Right.
If it's somebody's birthday, everyone's gonna know, and they're gonna go hang out at their house to party. Muchas gracias, YouTube. Thank you very much, YouTube, for the birthday wishes. Appreciate it, y'all. I appreciate it. Just ranging. Look at this, just not moving. It's not moving, y'all. I think we're gonna wait for 3:30. Let's chit chat. What have y'all guys been up to today? How has your trading day today been? I mean, it's
I
been
didn't trade a ton. I didn't trade a ton this morning. Funny enough, I did make 40,000 on my fundeds, on my Apex fundeds, and some other.
just a casual 40K. That's it. You
Yeah.
know, just another day in the office. Yeah, man. It was a slow grind up the entire day. Like the entire day, the slow grind up. Like see, like SPX is pushing down to fill that gold NVG, and Q is not moving. Like NQ doesn't care. I almost feel like just taking SPX off my chart because
I've
I
never
don't even wanna
been
look
so relaxed in a full port, Javi. I've never been so relaxed in a full port.
at
We have
it. Yeah,
moved a total of 6 points during this full port, and I've been green the
yeah,
entire time.
yeah. It's not, dude. It's not moving. Like it's not moving. It's now 3.89. ATR has dropped a point since we started Power Hour. That's very telling that we are going to just hang out until Nvidia earnings. No one's buying, no one's selling. Everyone's waiting for Nvidia. So we might get a 330 push, and I bet you that 330 push is going to be almost nothing. And then MOC might be almost nothing. And then Nvidia, we're going to get a 1,000 point candle out of nowhere. Watch. We're going to get a 1,000. Like all of this pent up aggression in the market is waiting for Nvidia. It's going to be one monster 1,000 point candle.
Earnings is going to be a little around 4 p.m. or a little afterwards.
Yeah. Look at that. Rejected off that 76 area. Back down we go. Look at this. The 2-minute looks horrendous. My 5-minute, this is the wide range on the 5-minute. Look at that. Look at that. All the way back down. All the way back down. SPX filled the golden MVG and Q moved 3 points. Down or up 1K candle. Yeah, it's going to be up or down 1K candle. Like the market's not moving right now. It's like, when I don't know if I'll get hit on this, right? It's like when if you haven't, spanked the monkey for a few days, right? It becomes a monster, at the end, it's like Niagara Falls, right? Pause, right? it's this is what's happening with NQ right now. It's holding on to its, aggression right there. It's gonna pop. And when it pops, it's gonna be powerful. There you go, Shang. Exactly. Just like that, Shang. At my age, is it still working? Yes, thankfully. That's one of the things I can be still proud of. That it is still youthful. I still wake up in the morning with my kickstand. Does not let me roll over on my belly. It holds me from, it's that strong. Like think about it. I'm like a 380-pound man. And when I roll over, it is strong enough to not allow me to lay on my belly. Logan laughed. Just saying. Just saying. Oh my god.
So I'm still bouncing around my entry on that full port that I took. That's where
I'm
we're at
getting
right now.
bored. We're getting bored. We're gonna get spicy. Yeah, 380. I hit my peak was 434. So I am down, right? I'm not down as much as I'd like.
Logan, did PHP give any trades this morning? Zero. Absolutely zero trades the entire day, the entire week, the entire month. An indicator that's
Yeah.
based on scalping gave zero
That's
trades
not.
the entire year. Zero trades. The whole indicator gave 0 plays the entire year as a scalping indicator.
There come the PHP gang. Jump his ass. Get him, guys. Get him. Sick him.
Logan seems pissed today.
I feel like we should be trading SPX right now. Like, what do SPX contracts look like? Look at this. SPX is moving beautifully. Filled the MVG. That moved down nicely. Now we're pushing up. Back to that top MVG. Like, SPX is moving beautifully. NQ, not moving, right? Gold, metals, broken. Not moving. Wait. Okay, I had to double check. For a second, I thought I saw moving, right? Get metals is not moving. Oh, wait. What happened to YM? Oh, never mind. This is YM. YM froze. Oh, look. YM pushed. Oh, look. Right? It also took forever, though. Holy crap. Why did YM take forever? Is YM also lagging, waiting for Nvidia? Look at that Look at that push. What? I don't know how much that would have been. From 518 to 47. That's 30. I don't know how YM works. Zero clue how YM contracts work, but that played out on that push on that 5 minute.
Believe in indicators, but I got a freebie on PHP and the indicator slaps hard. It does, Farmer. It absolutely does.
Wick on the level right there. Look at that. Clean. If it can hold above this 28 level, it's got a minute and a half left. All right, maybe we'll see another push up there.
Everyone says Logan is this, Logan is that. Yeah, I don't really know. I don't really listen to anybody anymore. Everybody's like, Logan's so bad. I'm not mad at all. You guys clearly don't know when mad is. You guys would know. You guys will know when Logan's mad.
Oh, that's on the 30-second. Never mind. I thought I saw your ATR in the 30-second said 2.75. I'm like, it dropped even more. It's still under 4. It's not moving. Right? We could be playing the range.
15-minute is 24. That's when you know this is bad.
64 again or 65. This has to be down here, actually. All right, back to the bottom of the range. 64. And back up. Back up. Look at that. I might just start scalping the range. Screw this crap.
Tell another crazy story from a time.
5 points at a time.
Tell
a crazy story about what?
Okay. Like what? Give me a topic.
Yeah, give him a top. Yeah. Logan, Javi, what is your favorite prop? I really like TPT and FFF personally, but they're all great. Every single one of our props are great. Alpha, honestly, I gotten equal payouts from all of them. I can't hate on anyone. Right? I like same day payouts. I like having targets. Right? I like having consistency. I like them all. As long as they pay, I like them.
A good test story. When you come in to drink pints in Scotland, I don't drink. At least not like that. I don't really drink like that. I haven't finished an alcoholic beverage since Miami 5 months ago. I don't really drink like that.
Drinking sucks when you're older. Yeah, it does.
Yeah. And that was my first time. 5 months ago, I obviously had a lot of drinks, and that was my first time drinking like that in like a year and a half. I'm just not a drinker. It's just not really my thing. I used to, but it's not worth it to me. The risk to reward there isn't. New Year's Eve, I think I was working. I'm pretty sure I was working on New Year's Eve. What did I do New Year's Eve? Oh yeah, even New Year's Eve. New Year's Eve, I even went to a club and I barely drank. Like I woke up early the next day. I actually hated it because I was only there because I had friends come visit me in town. I hated being out. I like to be healthy. I don't like to mess with my mental stability too. Like if you're hungover or you're messed up, Then you can't trade right. You can't focus on your business, your growth, anything else. It's not worth it. I'm still in this full port long, by the way, guys. Just letting you know. I haven't gotten out of it. Like I said, I'm just going to let it play out. I'll shoot for targets. I'm in with 15 minis, so I don't really know how much I should go for. Let's go for 20 points. I got it at 71 and a quarter. Let's go for 91 and a quarter.
I bounced right off the bottom area. Literally, somebody
Stop
could be
loss.
scalping the shit out of this.
It's going to be when it pops. Do you ever miss contracting? All the time. All the time. I miss contracting. I miss being in the sandbox. I miss camaraderies that we had going on. I missed the adrenaline. I miss all of it. Will I ever go back? Fuck no. Will I ever go back? Fuck no. A lot of my buddies are still doing it. Half of them are getting their team wiped out and some of the shit that they're doing. I'm like, yo, stop. One of my buddy had to do a relocation because he was doing anti-cartel contracts and his team got wiped out and he had to move. I'm like, why are you still doing it? It's just like they don't know anything else. I'm up $1,200 on this trade right now. Still in it.
Is it finally getting ready to move here? It needs to hold above 76. It's just.
Would you start a
teetering.
contracting company? No, I would not. I don't want anything to do with that world anymore. I spent 10 years doing it.
76.50.
If I get back into it, I'll get sucked into it again, and it'll be so. I barely got out. My buddies are all 5 to 10 years older than me. I can confidently say half of them won't live for another 10 years. It's just the world we're in. It's the industry we're in. It's a young man's job. It's not.
Yeah, metals are halted right now.
You've been on, you drop a nuke? That's a fucking retarded question. Any crazy firefight stories? I mean, we had one incident. I have a lot of pictures and stuff of it. And I wasn't supposed to be on patrol. Fuck this. I'm not talking about myself. No, it's Javi's birthday. We're talking about Javi.
What?
Let's talk about
I'm bored.
Javi. Javi, no,
I know.
we're not talking about me. Let's talk about Javi.
I don't do shit. Like I've worked regular jobs. I was a restaurant
Javi,
manager for 25 plus years, dude.
With where you are in life now, Javi, if you could go anywhere in the world right now.
Japan.
Okay.
Heartbeat.
Nice.
Heartbeat.
Tokyo?
Anywhere in Japan. All of Japan looks fucking awesome. We've got to Hawaii many times. I want to visit Japan. Like I would love to go there, but I want it's expensive with 5 kids.
Yeah, it's a trip. It's a trip and a half.
Yep. Japan holiday. I don't think I could live with the earthquakes and the fear tsunamis. Like I would be terrified every day, unfortunately. My wife watches this lady that lives down there. She's Mexican and she lives down there. I forget the lady's name, Bruti or something like that. She watches her stuff and like she's been in a bunch of like little earthquakes here and there. And it's scary. Like that shit's scary. Like I only experienced one earthquake in my life here in Maryland, and it was like a 4.3. It woke me up at like 5 in the morning, right before it happened, and it felt like a truck just rode by the house. And then lo and behold, on the news, there was an earthquake. It was like a 4.3. And I loved all the memes, like the chair got knocked down, the great earthquake of Maryland, with a little chair knocked down. It was freaking hilarious. But I cannot imagine what it would be like to be in like those big ass towers and there's this earthquake and the whole building's just swaying. Like I'd be shitting my pants, literally. Like
I've been in a
shitting my
couple.
pants.
I was in one in California. I think I've been in one in New Jersey. I think I was in one in Bali, which people were freaking out because we were imagining a
9.5.
tsunami. We thought a tsunami was going to come.
Shit.
I've been in a couple of hurricanes. I've been in a lot of hurricanes, big hurricanes. I've been in some tornadoes, gone through earthquakes. blizzards. I have a picture of a tornado touching down right in front of my house in Colorado. That's pretty cool.
No way, damn. All right, I'm scalping this range. I just scalped $500 on this. Well, 480 was 500 with 40 minis. Not 40 minis. Oh my god, I'm lying. 40 micros. Well, it was 500. I got out of it. It was no longer 500. I think this is like the only thing that's going to be worthwhile right now. Scalping with 40 micros on these pushes up and down. That was my first time taking that. uh, $500 on 40 micros on this 5-point range. Let me see if it gets back all the way down to 64, 65 area. I'll do it again. If not, oh well. Yeah, I did love California. California is nice, but I wouldn't live there. I would not live there. Like I love just scenic driving. Like I love
Laws.
I
You love laws. You love.
laws.
You love. Oh, you
Hell
can never
no.
live in California. You like not laws, but you like, freedom.
Taxes.
You like freedom and rights and the
You like
ability
taxes.
to be able to just do what you want without the government controlling everything that you do. If that's true, don't live in California. Logan, are you going to purchase a sports car? Yes. I've already been looking at sports cars. First, I'm getting a house. In the next 6 months, I'm getting a house. Then I'm getting a sports car and a Harley by July, August.
Would I dream to live somewhere else? Hawaii was that dream place for us to live in for a while. Like we wanted to live in Hawaii. Like we've gone to Hawaii like 5 or 6 times. Like it's so peaceful for me there. Like that's where I feel like the most at peace. And I think it's just the ocean, honestly. So hopefully in Florida, I'll be able to find zen being close to the ocean. I just hate cities. Like even when I was living in good old Hagerstown, like just being out away from everyone, like I was more at peace there. In Rockville, like the city here, like I just have a headache every day. I don't want to go out. I don't want to fight with people because there's always somebody out there picking a fight for the dumbest things.
Happy birthday again, Maestro Hobby. Party
St.
popper
George, I miss
emoji.
St.
Party
George.
face
That was
emoji. The
beautiful.
Quentin King. Prince
I
emoji.
drove
wish you'd go to
everywhere.
Japan with
I
your
did
family and have a
Instacarting
lot
and
of fun.
DoorDashing when I was in
$5
St. George,
dono.
and I freaking loved it. Plus, I had my Tesla, so I paid 0 in gas. I just kept charging it at the free stations for free, and I would just drive. I would take the shitty orders with lots of mileage just to drive.
All right, Javi.
Yeah. What are we seeing?
My pro account, they just cashed out. They took the 10,000 and put it in my
Yeah.
wallet.
And
So 80%, 8 bands going into my bank account right now. You know
let's
what that
go.
means? It means my
Yo,
pro is available.
yeah,
My pro,
it's available. You
my
gonna
pro is
trade it
available
on
to trade.
in this choppy
It means my pro is available for
for
Nvidia.
Nvidia?
My pro is available.
Ooh. Oh, yeah. You know what? It might be time. Might be time. See if I could get another 500 here.
I'm
On this
still in this
push
full
up.
port on my eval though, which is now green again. It was red,
I
now it's
just got
green.
in.
It's still in this for long.
Oh man, I hope it stays up there, but I just got in to try to scalp again on the push up. I hope it doesn't want to come down.
Logan, what do you
But
do with your payouts?
it's gonna scalp this range.
I buy more accounts and then full port them.
Give me another 500 here. Come on. Or 440. I'll take 400. Watch this thing just start reversing on my ass here. I'm up 300 right now. Just scalping. I'm gonna be up 300 right now. And I'm up 200. I'm gonna make 1,000 just scalping this range. Watch. wanted to get up above 70. 72, maybe get back up to 74. 73 would be 5 points, so that'd be nice too.
So here's what I'm going to do. For Nvidia earnings, I'm fairly certain it's going to rip up.
40 micros is what I'm trading right now.
So at 4
Because
p.m.,
this
I'm
is
going to
literally
keep
like
buy
my point moves.
with 1 mini. And we're going to see how much I can make. Do I do it on the PAs? No, no. Should I do this? I have to, because I have to
Oh my
make
god, it's almost there.
I have to make 10K on my PAs because I've made 10K on my pros every day this week.
There's
I have.
73.
Today's the only day I haven't done it.
Got my 5 points right now. Let me see if I can get a little bit more. There's 400, 420. Oh, I couldn't get out at 420. It just did it too fast. There's 440. Okay, 460, 480. There we go. Scalped another $400 on that. Okay. Oh, I couldn't even screenshot it when it said 440. It had 380 on it. I couldn't even screenshot that. All right. $800.
I'm not lying to you though.
Micros.
I am going to switch to my pro. If we pop above the 78 level, I will switch to my pro and actually take a legitimate trade. I'm going to leave this full port on this eval, let it run long. But if we do pop above this 78, or if we drop, I will take a pro trade on my pro account.
Oh my god, this is insane.
Happy birthday, Maestro. Quantum King. I wish you to go to Japan and your
Thank
family
you,
have a lot
guys.
of fun. $5 dono. Nice.
Oh, thank you,
Logan, do you
Tushar.
know a guy
Appreciate
that
you,
goes by
brother.
the name Do in the Navy?
What?
I'm just not even going to answer that.
Do in the Navy.
Because there's just so many. Yeah. Are you thinking short or long
in
here?
the Navy. So far, I've been shorting 74 and longing at 66, 67.
Yeah,
That's
Javi's
what I've
just
been
doing
doing
his
so far.
scalping. I'm up $450. Oh, I mean, every time I say a number, it just goes back and forth. So, but I'm just holding this
Yep.
long. Entry was 71.25. So we'll see what happens here. ATR is 4 is painful.
It's painful. Yep.
The 15-minute time frame is this low. It's all in anticipation for Nvidia.
Yep. This is what it is. This shit chop from Nvidia. Oh my god, if this gives me another 300-400 right now, that'd be great. Come on, give me that 68. Oh, guys, is it doing it now? I can't even see it. I need to be careful what I'm doing here. Just because this could bite me in the ass right here. Really fast. I have to make sure I get out of this really fast. I'm up 280, 300. I'm getting out of that 320, 320. Already 1,000. There it goes to 68. Woohoo! Should I keep doing it? I'm scared. I'm scared to keep doing this shit. I couldn't even screenshot it. I got out of that bitch. All right, we're going to do it again from here, from 68 back up to maybe 73. I don't know. These fees doing me. Let me see. Oh no. Very
You guys see
nice.
that? You guys see that?
Bro.
See that? $10,110 requested out of a 50K account.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, I'm up 200. And now I'm break even.
See what I'm saying? Make them see what I'm saying. First of all, smoke boom, that is your plan. Real, you know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? I'm make them see what I'm saying. Trying to
We're at $40. If this breaks 64, I'm out of this, and I'll take the L on this scalp.
Know what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? I'm make 'em see what I'm saying. Tryna me soon as I land. Turn her out my bread. Folk get fit in the phone. I be with baby when I'm in the love. Since I got money, they calling me hustle. I feel in love.
140.
Ooh. God, I'm such a good trader. Bands after
I'm down
bands
200. I
after.
think I'm gonna get out of this. This is approaching 64. Oh, there's 64 right there. If this breaks to 64, yeah. There goes. I'm out of that. Took a little bit of that. Like I think it was minus 250, 300 at the end.
Okay.
Now if this can
All right, we're
hold
about
under
to.
64, this is coming down to Pound Town. Insane and a ming
Might actually
ring.
dump
Has to
here.
stay under.
Switching.
Yep, it
I'm
has
gonna
to stay
switch
under
to my pro
64.
account. Switch to my pro account, and I'm gonna get ready for a good trade.
Do I have any
Set up
empty accounts to
potentially
have fun
here.
with? I do. Okay, I need to
ATR
stay
is
under
so low
64.
though. I don't really know if actually.
Shit.
You know what, Javi? I'm not gonna touch my
Yeah,
pro. As
I
much as I
wouldn't.
really
That's why I was
want to,
telling you.
dude, I can't. Not with this ATR, dude. I have a strict
Crap.
rule. I've talked to all my students about it. If the average fucking candle is 4.5 points, I'm not touching it. I'm not touching it. I'm not doing it.
I want to see
Like,
this
this
5-minute candle close below 64.
garbage. I'm not doing it.
It's
I'm not
garbage,
touching it.
dude. This is horrible price action. It's horrible right now.
I'm
This
not
might
going to
be
waste a funded account on this.
this might be our
Nope.
next 10-point move here, from 64 to 54. But it has to close below. If not, still in the range.
I'm up huge on the week. I'm absolutely dominating the week. I'm not going to ruin it forcing a trade with a 4-point candle average.
Teetering right at 64. It's got about 27 seconds left. I
On
don't
the
want it to just
15-minute
barely
time
close.
frame, it's 23 points. That's insane. Like, this
Yeah.
is supposed to be what the moment it looks like. I'm not touching it.
It went up a tiny bit. Yeah, it's not ready. Doesn't look like it wants to hold below 64 just yet. Let's see, 3 seconds. Ooh, it's right there. Oh, it's gonna close below. Ooh, it closed below. Barely closed below. I don't know if I trust it just yet, because this could retest the range one more time. But this is setting up potentially. It needs to stay underneath.
I am impressed with
71.
TPT's support system today. They answered very quickly, which was great.
Yeah, there's days where they're like on it like that, like very fast.
There's some days where you're like, come on, give me my fucking money. Today they were fast, which I thought, I'm always of the impression like, this guy's taking too much money from us. Let's just ignore him for a little bit. They were actually
Maybe
good this week.
Yeah, maybe he'll go
despite
away.
me pulling out 40 bands. Oh,
Yeah, pop right back into the range. That's why I was looking at this. This barely closed below. I want to see if this will break back above 70 or if it rejects the 70. We got another blue, so just expanding the range now. 62 on the 1 minute. But I want to see if this is going to be the flip. What I want to see is this next 62 candle break. I want to see it stay underneath the 71 area, and then I want to see it continue down and break this bottom area. And that will be kind of the confirmation of this potential flip. Potential. I'm still not fully sold on it, and Q still doesn't care what SPX is doing.
Logan, do you trade on wealth charts or trading view? So if a prop firm has wealth charts, I will trade on wealth charts because it gives me the potential, or not the potential, it gives me the capability to ATM trade with group settings, which is amazing. So I get to group ATM.
Yeah.
So my Apex accounts, my PAs that I made 40 bands on today, wealth charts. My Tradeifys that I made, whatever 3,600 is times 5, 72, 4, I made like 20,000 on my Tradeifys, wealth charts. FFF, wealth charts. Everything else, Tradeivate. Jamie is also correct. People do it. I don't recommend it. Trading on TradingView. TradingView is not a trading platform. It is a charting platform. You have to understand, think logically here, right? when you go and you send mail to someone and they send mail to somebody else and they send mail to somebody else, it's going to take a lot of time with those stops as opposed to just giving it directly to the main person. That's how it works with the execution process. Ideally, what you want to do is just go directly through Tradeovate or your platform. Don't go through a middleman. If you're going through TradingView, you're going to be trading essentially how you control it through TradingView into Tradeovate to process back. There's going to be a delay. I highly recommend nobody trades on TradingView. That's just my opinion. There's always going to be a delay. If you look right now on the 1 minute chart on Tradeovate and TradingView, you're going to see a fractional of a difference between Tradeovate and TradingView. Tradeovate is much better. Tradeovate is so bad with group trading. I highly disagree. Z Lucas, myself, and my students have made a ton of money on group trading. Now, Wealth Charts is better. I'm just going to be transparent there. Wealth Charts is definitely better because you have ATM settings. It just moves smoother. I'm still in this full port long. I thought I was going to get cooked on that short, Javi. I'm still alive.
It was
up 500
closed. It
bucks.
was closed. But the fact that it held on, that barely closed under 64. That closed at 63. Immediately went back up to test it. That 76 is still what needs to break if it wants to go up, though. That 76 is what needs to break. So this is what I scalped at the end on that on that Wealth Charts account. 760.
Yes,
is
I
what
make most of my
scalped
money in New York.
on those two moves.
Good shit, Javi.
Yeah.
Yes, I make almost all of my money in the New York Open. I went over the strategies with my students in February alone. Our New Year strategies hit about a 70% win rate this month, which is pretty fucking good. We did the back
I
testing
don't
and
think
everything.
we have an exact date for the indicators on Wealth Charts, guys, but as
Soon.
soon as we know, we will let everyone know, right? We keep saying soon, I know, but we will make sure
It's gonna
it'll be
happen.
announced. It's
Yeah,
gonna
it's gonna
happen,
happen.
yeah. We've also been patiently waiting, and we just have to patiently wait. It's gonna happen. Right? We just need to make sure everything is running the way it's supposed to be. Trading also feels or more or less than if you were on actual broker. Oh, good. Back in the range. He just made it deeper. Oh shit! There it went again.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. What was that? That was a random meltdown candle.
Oh, 330 volume.
Oh, that was that? That was 330 volume?
Yep.
All right, let's see if this 330 volume continues that push. Could not break back over. The 5-minute couldn't hold over 70. Let's see what happens here. This needs to it needs to stay under 62 now. 62 was that new little thing, and then 55. It got really close to 55. Then below 55, we would have 50. It's too tight. It's like built these little tight areas where you're going to see drop, maybe some range, drop, maybe some range, drop. It's going to be choppy if
Do
it does
either of
drop.
you trade live cash? No. Doesn't make
I
sense.
have, yes.
Oh, you do?
I have trade. I do, yeah.
Still? Like you currently trade live cash?
I had 2 live accounts. I haven't
Oh,
touched.
no,
Well,
no. Well, okay. Yes. Okay. I have live accounts, but I thought you
yeah,
meant
yeah.
like,
You have your Pro Pluses. Yeah, yeah,
okay. Yeah. So technically, yes. But it's
yeah.
through a prop firm. Yeah. Technically, yes, but it's through a prop firm.
It's still
Um,
live. Like my account
yeah.
says live. I've shared a couple of the posts. I'm waiting for a payout on one of them. Oh my god, this drop was beautiful.
Means cash. No.
Yeah, like our
Um,
personal cash.
Hobby, I'm gonna go short here on my pro account. I'm going short here on my pro account.
I'm about to hit my 10-point TP right now on that pop right now. There it goes. Boom. Got it. Got it. Easy. 64 break. Easy peasy guaranteesy right there. Now let's see if this thing can continue to go. 55 was this area that it broke through. Next, if it does retest, I want to see it stay underneath that 62. I mean, it could retest that 65 one more time. Then we would see potentially 49. If we could break this 49, 47, then 39. It's just going to be very choppy if it's going to continue to go down.
I just remembered it's 5.25 ATR.
Yuck. You held on to that 40 for 1280. Damn, yuck.
That was weird.
Up to retest that 62. You want to see it kind of stay below that. If he re-enters, it'll test 66. Got a little blue boy attempted to form there. So there's a pop back into 762. Let's see if it touches 66. This 5 minute, I still want to see it kind of stay below here. But this 5 minute is still in an uptrend. Still in a very deep uptrend.
Oh, wow. I didn't notice that. Yep.
Rejection right there. Couldn't hold that 66 area. Let's see if this can start to continue to stay below 62. Or if this is where it's going to get trapped next. It could get trapped right here. It could just get trapped right here. The choppy ass market. Oh, God, Nvidia. Why you gotta do this to us? Why you gotta do this to us, Nvidia? Nvidia still has like freaking 50 minutes, so made 120 on that meltdown candle. Way to go, Tushar. Here we go. Nice rejection from that 65 area. It's just gonna get stuck in here, I think. Yeah, NQ does not care what SPX is doing right now. Ooh, yeah, baby, so exciting, so exciting. We've been so spoiled the last few days. This is so exciting.
I'm debating just getting out of this trade. I kind of regret getting into it with this low ATR. And I told myself I wasn't going to.
Yeah, especially on them pros, man. You got to be so careful with those shits because this is chop central. It's just gonna eat up that drawdown. Well, you're not at the drawdown.
No.
You're
I'm
already
past
above
buffer.
it.
I'm past buffer.
Yeah, you're
These
already
are
past that.
I'm already past buffer. I'm good.
Yeah, you're good. You're good. You're right.
Still, it's like
My
I'm not
runners
trading
haven't been
light.
taken out yet. Let me see if I can get down to that 47 area. If my runner gets trailed out at entry, it gets trailed at entry. It hasn't yet. It got really close on that pull up. Got very close. Take it out. Hello? I'm frozen on Discord now. Great. Okay. Looks like I am frozen on the Discord. All right. Let's fix that real quick.
Oh my gosh. I'm fucking losing my patience. I can't do this. Get me out.
This is
Get me out.
it's crap
Pull
too.
down a little bit, and I'm cashing out. I'm getting out. I can't do this. I can't do this low ATR shit. It's pissing me off. I told you guys I don't like trading this. I don't like trading this low of ATR.
Yeah, this low ATR is crapola. Doesn't let me trade. Wealth Charts doesn't let you trade. If you're trying to trade gold or anything like that, any metals, Ricky, you're not trading gold or metals at all.
I think it's
Right.
back up. I think somebody said metals are back up.
Are they? Hold on, let me see.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's moving. It's moving very so slowly, but it is moving. Oh, excuse me. My runner's gonna get trailed up. Oh God. Oh my God. It's close to above 62. It's gonna push back up. It closed right below it, right at 61. It looks like it's still trying to push back up. I want this to get broken. I want to see the continuation. I want to see this guy get broken. But it wants to push back over 62. Oh, there's a 66. Wow, look at that push. Dang, that played out beautifully, actually. 61 to 67. My runner got trailed out. Got 6 on my ass. Ooh, 2 minute is now giving me another one. Do I play off of this? Do I? It's pushing. We got to get back up to that 76 area. Dang, that played out beautifully. Nice 10 points from that push up already. Let's see if the 2 minute will continue. Give a little bit of a
I got out of that, by the way.
guess maybe.
Forgot to tell you guys, I got out of that.
Yeah.
If we do pop above this, I'd love for just a pop over 37. I'm going to go in.
Took a little bit off of it, just a little bit.
Rest in peace, the
This
pros.
gets
I didn't
to-
go that heavy. Jeez.
See if we get 68 tap. It needs to start
Just
68. Sorry, it needs
barely
to hold
broke.
above
Just
76.
right on that 5-minute level. Pop above 379, and we're going, I think.
76 rejected again.
Come on.
All right. Our 330 orb is going to be pretty wide. I have way more room up than down. I'll say that. I got way more room up than down. If Lama's fib is there, we still have 23 to 406, then 415, 428. And Sauce Box is at 434. SPX and NQ don't seem really like don't care too much, but it needs to hold above 76 if this thing is really going to start running. Attempt at it again. Very hesitant at 76. Let's see if it can give that push. It's not pulling back as strong now. She might be ready to give a pop here. There it goes. There goes. And it needs to hold though. Needs to keep pushing and holding. Oh yeah, baby.
Oh,
There
shit.
you go. Yeah. Yeah, baby. There you went. I got in on that 2 minute.
I'm waiting. I didn't want to wait for just a little bit more of a pump up, and I'm going to get in.
I already took a good amount of that off the table.
A little bit more of a pump up, and I'll get in.
Very nice move.
Nope.
So
No,
it seems
no
like
trade
we're
for me
about-
yet.
Yep, it's gonna retest that 76 area. Yep.
Just
Here,
popped up and
give
then
me
pulled
a
right back.
second, guys. Gonna go see my mama. You guys can see my mama. Introduce you guys to the reason I'm in this world right here. Mama.
Hola, Mama Javier.
School today. Son falsos, no son. Imitar a uno. Adios. All right. Let's see if this 76 area holds. If it can't hold, then back down we go to test some of this rangy area. 5 minute needs to lock in. This 5 minute locks in. This is going to start pushing if this 5 minute can lock in. But I want to see it hold above 76. I want to see this thing hold above 76. That was my mama, guys. Love
Mama
my mama.
Hobby.
I'm a mama's boy, man. I'm a huge mama's boy. I will never be embarrassed to admit it or say it. If this 5 minute can pop over 76 and close, good chance to continue. If not, this is just going to kind of pause back down here. It might start ranging. It's trying at the last 15 seconds. It's trying to give a push. Doesn't look like it's going to go yet. 5 seconds. We got MOC in 5 minutes. So, nope, wasn't ready. Was not ready. $70. This is where this level will lock in right here. There's another push at 77 now. Another attempted push up. MOC might be just holding 70. It might be this 76, 70 area holding. If it can push through 83, then we see 415. We got a whole 5 minutes left. This could come back down to retest 58. All the way down there. Si hablo español, Franco. Hablo un poquito. Un poquito despacito, no, si hablo español. Hablo el español. A vez en cuando hablo el spanglish.
What indicator am I using? I use Pivot Hunter Pro and the Advanced Orb.
De veras. CME resumes metals. Why the fuck the market is so slow? Because of Nvidia GPT. Nvidia is waiting for. I mean, the market is waiting for Nvidia.
Everybody's waiting on Nvidia.
Yes, George. We play the 3:30 orb during power hour. Hola, hola. Tell her I say hi. I will Momo. Javier, escucho la canción Mama's Boy. Mama's Boy. De Eladio Caribe. That's a good song. Does Logan also trade with a guy named Mike? What? Who's the guy named Mike? Oh, snap. Here we go. Making another attempt to push at 83 here. This can bulldoze through 83. I still have, like, I should have taken some off the table, honestly. some more. I have 9 micros still writing on this. I had it right at entry, has not trailed me out. I should have taken more off the table. I did not. I might take some off just to play it safe because that's kind of heavy. But we'll see. We'll take 3 off over here on that nice little push at 80. I'll hold on to 6. I'll hold on to 6. And look at it go, baby. Look at it go. All right, break 83. We could keep pumping here. Let's keep pumping here. So we need to break 86 would be the next area. 86, then we have room. We can keep pumping here. Look at that, guys. Got a little bit of that 64 break for a 10-point down. Now we got that 76 break for 10 points up. I got in at 68 on this push on the 2-minute. That 2-minute blue with the 1 leading through. And so YouTube doesn't see what I'm talking about, unfortunately.
Tempted to get into the long, but I'm just not 100% convinced yet because the ATR is so low.
Yeah, it's slow grind up.
All right,
There goes. I'm getting 2 more off the table here.
I'm gonna take a test here, just going off of the 5-minute, the continuation, print through. Let's take a stab here.
Next, let's see if this can hold above 83 here. Then I want to see it hold above 86. MOC is in 1 minute already, y'all. Damn, that was fast. MOC is coming up.
Oh shit!
I have, yeah, dude. I have 4 runners. I got 2 trailing by 10, and I got 2 at break even. I'm sorry, I got 3 runners. Oh, I thought I got rid of only. Okay, they're right. I thought I got rid of only 2. Apparently, I got rid of 3. So I got 2 trailing by 10. So it'll take 2 out at 77. I'm sorry, it'll take 1 out 77. It'll take 1 out at 72. And then my last one is running from 68. That's where I have my 3 runners right now. See, let's see what it does. 3, 2, 1. Let's see if it pushes a little up. Nope. Took my 2 runners out. There's it retested that 68. Wow, it retested that 68. Took 2 of my runners out. 1 is surviving right now. I'm up almost 30 points on that initial entry. My 1 runner at break even survived that push down. There it goes. Oh, baby. It's going.
Oh, that's weird. I forgot I traded 2 at the same time. I went back and forth between my pros. 1 is green, 1 is red somehow. I hope I didn't fade myself because then they're going to get both popped.
Yeah.
That would suck.
That would suck. All right, I got my trail at 80. If it breaks below 80, it's another go for me. I want holding this guy. But that was a beautiful pop-up. Very beautiful pop-up. That went all the way to retest that 68.
Along. Hold along.
Yeah.
Hold
My
along here.
runner's still in it. Very clean move from the break of 60. What was it where I had it here before? It was what? Down here at 76 is where this whole thing started. The break of 76. So still 20 points if anyone got in afterwards. Even
Got
on
some
this
volume coming in.
crappy market. Way to go, Bluey. Very nice job on the schlong. All right. I want to see if it'll try to make it up to that 400 area, but it's kind of looking like it's stalling out a little bit. But I want to see if it'll keep going. I want to see it hold 80. I want to see it continue to push.
Would love a print through 402.
Barely moving. That was it. It's barely moving. I think now we're just going to wait for Nvidia for another, 30 minutes? YouTube,
Still not-
type in Nvidia. Type in Nvidia. I'm gonna give away some indicators while we're waiting for this thing to move. Let's give away some indicators.
405 is my next PT. 405 is my next PT.
Type away,
Come on.
y'all. Type away, YouTube.
Come on.
Held 80 so far. How many do we have watching on YouTube? YouTube seems pretty dead right now. Only 69 likes, y'all. Come on. Come on. Oh, my runner got trailed out.
But some of my cons stopped out.
Now we just wait for Nvidia. All right. I'm gonna pick a couple people in YouTube. All right, it's my birthday, my 41st birthday. So I'm gonna be giving away quite a few. I might lose count. So if you get tagged, you will be winners.
What time is it? All right, I got 1 minute until the 45th
One,
candle.
2, 3, 4. Okay, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep typing, y'all. If I see you guys typing it, good chance I will pick you. I'm giving away a few of them.
Come on. Give me
Wait
405.
for it to tap. All right, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I tagged about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 YouTube people. I'm gonna screenshot it for the mods in case they need it.
5, 4, 3, 2. Which way are we going?
Pushing. It needs to
Go
hold
down.
80 for it to go. Nope, looks like it's going down. If it breaks below 80, it holds below 80.
If it hits 74.50, I'm gonna get out and wait for
It
Nvidia.
barely moved.
Oh,
It barely moved. It's barely moving. There's an MBG below it might be going for.
it's literally
Right.
edging my stop loss by 1 tick.
If I
I'm
tagged
out.
you in YouTube, open a support ticket in the Discord, claim your free week. And let me tag these in. I'm gonna put these names I just tagged in the mod chat for the mods. Okay, just because I know it was a few names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it was 6 names. All right.
Already going into the bank account. Let's go. Quest 10 bands in the bank. Bam.
Okay, it's just barely moving. This thing is barely moving, so it can hold below 80. It'll keep going. Above right now would be above 88.
Beautiful.
71 is a level, so 71 would need to break as well. Then it would just have to crack through all these. It's got so much to crack through on the way down. So much. I just feel like it's gonna get stuck up here. All right. All right, Discord. You're next. You're next, Discord. I'm just gonna scroll around and I'm gonna start picking some names. Gotta have the MOT tag. I tag you in there, open up a support ticket. We're doing this untraditionally today just because I want to click. I want to click buttons. Have to have the NMOT tag. And Q player, you're the next one. I got at Martina Vendano G17. That's 2 right there.
You get an indicator. You get an indicator.
Yeah. If you do not have the MOT tag, when I click your name, you will not qualify, unfortunately. All right. You will not qualify. Phil J, you're number 3. So that's 9 so far. Oh my goodness. I still got a long ways to go. Let's see. Let me click. We got MOT tag. No MOT tag. All right. Let's go. Click. You got an MOT tag. Tomas J. Okay. Tomas J. All right. Tomas J. That's 10. That's 10. You must have. If you guys do not have the MOT tag, you can click on any one of those names you see there that has that MOT tag. Click it, adopt it, and voila, you have MOT tag. You have MOT tag. Mods, I hope you guys can keep up. I'm super sorry if you can't. I got 10 so far. London Bree, you're number 11. London Bree, number 11. MOT tag, yes. Adrian. About to tag you. If I tag you, Adrian X21, number 12. Click. Mr. Blow That Account. Number 12. Mr. Blow That Account. Let's stop blowing them accounts. Let's change your name to I don't blow any accounts anymore. Oh, look at that pop up. Hit that 71 area. Boom. Let's see who's next. I don't know what that tag is, but you don't get to win 1 FUB. You do not have the MOT tag. Must have the MOT tag. Gosh, so many of you guys don't have the MOT tag. All right, Brantonio. That's number 13. Brantonio. Let's go for some more MOT tag. D Curry.
Yeah. You guys keep fucking sending me friend requests. Nobody listens.
Let's go. Let's click. You got MOT tag. No MOT tag. Sasha Star, get that MOT tag. Maximo Laura, you have MOT tag. Good job. That's number 14 or 15. I might lose count. If I lose count, I lose count. No MOT tag. Nelly baby, get that MOT tag. Get that MOT tag. All right, Leandra. That's number 15, I think. If I lose count, mods, keep count for me, please, because I am a horrible counter. I am an old man at the ripe old age of 41. I definitely cannot say this person's tag. I don't know what Discord you are a part of that tag is your tag, Miss Crystal Stark. That's an interesting tag to have. I definitely cannot say that without getting in trouble on the YouTube. All right, Dean 14655 at Dean. All right, I'm about to tag you next. I think this 15. All right, next. Ah, I remember you, Miss Giggles. We met at the event. There you go. You are number 16. Jessica, get that MOT tag, Mama Bear. Get that MOT tag. All right, let's see. T Robs. T Robs. T Robs. Where are you at? There you are. Boom. All right, you get one. That's 17 or 18. I don't know. Still, we're only halfway there. We're only halfway there. Oh, look, the face. The face gets one. Jeremy, the face. Jeremy Siha. You get one, brother. Don't know that tag. You got the tag. Roby Nut. Roby Nut's got the MOT tag. Right, that's like 19 or 20, I think. I don't know. I might just go until my fingers are tired. Leonard. 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 Leonard, you are a winner as well. Let's see. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let me keep going. Who's
Javi, are you
next?
taking?
What?
Hopefully the mods are able to track this.
I'm saying everyone's name. I hope they are able to track this too. 'Cause I'm saying I'm like at 19. I don't know where our mods if they're in there. I'm so sorry, y'all. But I'm saying everyone's name for that reason. Falcon, Falcon, you got one too. I'm trying to make it at around 41. If I go over
I guess they could just
41,
look at the names you tag. I guess
yeah.
yeah. Mods can just look at your messages, see the ones that you tagged, and take those ones. So
Oh,
that's all.
perfect. Okay, that
Yeah.
works. All
Yeah.
right, because I'm just randomly clicking names. I'm randomly clicking. I'm not like really looking at it. I'm just
Yeah.
clicking. You have the MOT
Mods,
tag, you get it.
mods, just go through the messages, see what everybody hobby tagged, and then you'll take those. So then you'll know who won.
Miguel P. Miguel P. I'm literally just clicking around, and if you have the MOT tag, you get it. Whoopsie daisy. Whoopsie daisy. There you go. Another one. Another one. Another one. You got the MOT tag. You do not. Get that MOT tag. You have the MOT tag. Shram the Ram. I don't know what is that means, but Shram the Ram. You get one. Let's see. More. MOT tag. The Grandma Kendra. The Grammy Kendra. You get one. Grammy Kendra. All right. I lost count. I think we're at like 23 or 24. Let me keep going. Let me keep going. Let me keep scrolling. There's 733 of y'all in here. So many. Let's see. You got an MOT tag. Yes, you do. Crick 33. Crick 33. Is it Chris or Crick 33? Was it Chris? Crick. Oh, there you are. Crick 33. There you go. That's like 24. All right. Scrolling. Another one. Another random one. Blade. Boom. You get one. All right. Scroll. There's so many of you guys in here. I got to scroll. And you got MOT tag. You do not have MOT tag. Juice, get that MOT tag. All right. Next one. Tony told you. You got MOT tag. Yes, you do. Tony told you. You get one. I think that's 25 or 26. I'm going to lose count. Next. Oh my God. Look at that longest longing. It's still going. It held that 71, that 5-minute level held. That 5-minute level held beautifully.
Going
Nvidia
long,
prompt incoming.
going long on the
Where'd it
pro.
go? Let's get up there. There's that 406, almost there. That Llama fib, we get up past that 415. Saucebox is all the way up at 433, which would be an insane move from this Saucebox down at 305. That's a 100-point move already from that Saucebox down here. Had one spike, and then another one. There's that tap. There's the tap of Lama's fib right there. Nice little tappy tap. I know Lama right now is going, I told you guys, I told you guys, I told you guys. I'm bricked up right now. I'm bricked up right now. I said it in the pre-market. I said it like 50 times during the morning show. I'm bricked up right now. Where's my wig? I love you, Llama. I love you, Llama. Okay, let me keep going. I think I was at 25. Let me keep going. Let me keep going.
We got about 13
Naval,
minutes.
Naval. You get one, Naval. Hold on. Where can I find you? Naval. Where are you? There's so many Navals in here. Naval, Naval, Naval. I cannot find you to tag you. Naval. Noval. It's N-O. There you are. There you are. I didn't look at it right. That's 26. All right, next. Next. EP3 Gorilla. EP3 Gorilla. EP3 Gorilla. You get one. That's like 27. Almost there. All right, next one. No MOT tag. Quando Trader, get an MOT tag. MOT tag. Fredo. Fredo, you get one. Fredo. Let's go. All right, let's go. More. Let me scroll some more. You got MOT tag? Yes, you do. You got MOT tag. Chris and a bunch of numbers. Family picture. There you are. You get one. Chris with the family picture. There's a lot of Chris's in here. All right. MOT tag. Yes. Miss Sherry. Miss Sherry with that like sus smile. Like you just killed somebody. I can't tell. Kind of looks like a smirk. Like you got away with murder. You get one. All right. Let's see. Let's go to another one. You got MOT tag? Yes, you do. Miss Amy D. Anybody keeping track of the numbers? I don't know. I think I'm at like 30 right now. I think I'm at 30. You get
No,
one
I'm just
because of
trading.
that. Oh,
I'm
you're
just
actually
trading.
you're
I'm just
still you're in the
trying
long.
to get trading my pro, just chopping at it.
Let's go. At
Just so holding this
Juju. That husky caught my attention. You get one. Hello, husky. All right. Where we at? Poke 006. At Poke 006. Poke. You get one. Let's see. Another turn. Let's see. You got MOT tag? Oh my god, my stuff's not up. Nope, you do not have MOT tag. Elora Nova, you would have had a chance. Make sure you guys adopt that MOT tag. Or Brand. I think I already picked you, Mr. Brantonio. All right, next one. Let's go. Where we got? You got MOT tag? Dusty Jeffrey. Get some lotion. You won't be dusty anymore. Dusty Jeffrey, you get one. I think that's like 32 or 33. All right, let's go. All right, another one. Zacho, you get one. All right. Zacho. Let's scroll some more. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-dum, ba-dum. Da-da-da. Steph X Trades at Steph X. There you are. You get one. Who's next? Scroll. And this got MOT tag. Yes, you do. Chris D. There you are. And this is you get one. All right. Who's next? What am I at? I think I'm at like 35. I got 6 more to go. All right. All right, Chuck, you look very glistening in that picture. Very muscly and very glistening. Definitely get to see the sun a lot. You get one. All right, let's see. Next one. You got, oh, wait, he disappeared. Where did he go? Where did that guy go? Okay, well, I don't know if he left. Something happened because he was there 1 second and then he disappeared. All right, next one. Rafaga, you get one. I think that's like 38 or 37. I'll say 37. You get one. All right, next. MOT tag, nope. Kimmy E, you do not have MOT tag. Get MOT tag. Get MOT tag. All right, let's see another one. This guy. You got MOT tag? Yes, you do. ASCII, you get one. Feel like Oprah. Of the indicators right now. Lewis with the Vegeta, you get one. At Lewis. Vegeta, there's Vegeta. Boom. You get one. I think I got 3 or 4 more to go. 4 to go. Let's see. MOT tag, Ted Bonkers. You get one. Ted Bonkers. Congratulations. All right, let's do 3 more. 3 more. Scroll. Still got like 675 people in here. Who's this guy? You look sus, man. That smile looks sus, Olds. You don't have the MOT tag. You don't get one. Get that MOT tag. You got MOT tag? Yes, you do. Screw my feelings. I like you, Jimmy B. You get one. Screw your feelings, Jimmy B. You get one. All right, 2 more. Let's see who the last 2 lucky winners are gonna be. Let's see what we got here. A rake. You got MOT tag. Yes, you do. A rake. You get one. Last one. We are in the last one. Finally, last but not least, you have to have the MOT tag. You have MOT tag. You do. C Fox, you're the last lucky winner. There you go, C Fox. I think I did 41. I might have gone over. I don't know. That was fun. I liked all that clicking.
We got about 5 minutes until Nvidia earnings.
That was a good way to track time. All right. You know what? I'm stumped here. We are surrounded by everything here. Historically, Nvidia pumps, right? Like Nvidia does a pump and then it does a drop.
Yep.
Can you imagine if it just eviscerates, like it just kind of like this whole pump up early and we just see a monster meltdown?
That would suck because I'm
All
in
right.
a long. That would suck because I'm in a long.
What if I go short and you go long and we just see what happens, right? We already had a pretty good power hour. Do I have an account I can YOLO? I don't have a pro I want to YOLO right now, unfortunately. Let's see. I got an FFF fund that I can have fun with.
Longest
my
5
wife-
minutes of
My wife might not like this because she does not like me YOLOing or having fun with my funded accounts. Actually, you know what? I just loaded up this Lucid funded. This one hasn't even been touched yet. Let's do this one. All right. All right, bro. I'm going to, this is again, not financial advice. Nvidia will do whatever. I have no read at this at all. How many contracts are you in?
I don't want to talk about it.
Oh, shit. So I got to go full cons? All right. I can only go 20. I can only go 20 micros on this Lucid. I can already hear my wife. I can already hear her going, no. I just hit short just for no reason at all. I don't know what's going to happen here. I hear her yelling at me. I'm not worried. I can pass this. I can pass these accounts again. It's gonna. Usually Nvidia historically pumps. So again, I could get cooked here.
3 minutes.
Yep, 3 minutes. I'm waiting. My wife is yelling. She's like, "How do you know? I'm up $20 a month. Now I'm down $25. Now I'm down $80. Now 55. Now I'm green 80, 100. Oh shit! It's only 20 contracts. It can't be that bad, right? and then it's gonna insta cook my ass. Watch it insta cook my ass. I'm up 100 right now. We're gonna make it stakes right now. This is stakes right now. I didn't fade him on purpose. I literally have no read. I don't know what's gonna happen here. Zero read. This is straight up gambling. Straight up gambling. It's fun. I'm up 144 right now. Oh my god, I'm up 300 almost. Oh my god, I have to like see my thing is telling me to get out some at least. I might leave a few now. I made a quick 270 right there. I'm gonna leave 8. I'm gonna leave 8 just to see what happens. Oh my god, it's still going. Like again, this is straight up gambling. There's no read on this. There was no read. I had to take some out because I can't let it. I can't YOLO. I'm bad at YOLOing fundeds. I'm really bad at it. I'm really bad at it. Oh god, 2 minutes. Dom's starting to go crazy. Dom's acting up. Oh god. I got my 10 points right there on that. Oh god. I'm gonna leave 6. I'm such a chicken. I'm such a freaking chicken. Over there you go. I'm already worked out. I'm up $350.
I'm gonna throw up.
My wife is yelling at me so bad right now, guys. I don't know if y'all can hear her. I don't know if y'all can hear her. Okay, I only have 4 micros running now. I took some more out. You should feel better. I have the last 4 at break even, so if it does give a spike up, I'm out. My wife yelling at me. I have to take that. I had to take some of that. There was zero rhyme or reason for that trade. 15 seconds. Oh man. Oh man. Can't believe
Wait,
that's
give me
actually
the
moving.
earnings. Give me the earnings.
Yeah, where are they?
Rip
Do something,
up. Give me
Nvidia.
the earnings.
Do something.
Give me the earnings. Rip up. Rip up.
Maybe it'll bounce off of 71 again.
Give me the earnings. I just
I'm
added
taking
contracts
what
thinking it
it
was going to
can.
rip up.
It did nothing. They haven't said anything. Nvidia made no money. So like, are they flat? Is this why we got no reaction at all? I don't think they've gotten the earnings call yet.
Ah!
Oh
Oh,
shoot.
oh,
Oh shoot.
what was that? It
Well,
almost
that
stopped me
wick.
out. It literally almost stopped me out. Keep
It
going.
hit 70.
Go.
It hit 71 to the T. I told you guys it was gonna retest 71. Look at that. That spike hit 71 on the money.
Going nuts.
Oh, it hit
Going
70.
rip up. Rip up.
Everyone's still typing Nvidia in here.
Rip up. Rip up. Rip up. Rip up. Go.
It might
Go.
test that wick.
Go up. Go up. Go up. Oh, up, please. It's just not moving. It's not moving at all.
It's not moving. Yeah.
How am I negative if I'm above profit? I think it's just delayed. It's above my entry, but it's showing red because it's just like freaking out.
That's weird.
Stops are going to be at 67. TP is going to be 403. Or trim's going to be 403.
It's about to take my last runner out. I'm going to collect a nice little 300 on this funded account. Almost. 285 is, if it takes me out, it'll be like 280.
Just rip up. Just rip up.
That's what I got. That was from my 20 contract short. That's all it would give me. It's still waiting for the report. So the report hasn't even come out. Does Lucid let you hold until after 4:30, or is 4:30 their time?
TPT does. Oh,
Yeah, I know
go, go,
TPT.
go, go. Keep pumping.
To rip back over, yeah, the 400. Needs to break that 94 level. It's just surrounded. It's just stuck.
I'm getting a call, really important call. 1 second, guys.
Nvidia has announced its earnings. Expectation wanna beat expectation. They beat the expectation. Why did it not move? Why did the market not move at all? Is it already buy the rumor, sell the news? Revenue beat expectations. Data center all-time high, all demand surging, gross margin 75.2% above expectations. Beat consensus. But it did absolutely nothing. And Hughes just not moving. Logan's muted. No, he had to take a phone call. Yeah, zero market reaction. Like zero. That's what I was thinking, Bang Mang, that it was already like being priced in with that, buy the rumor, sell the news, pump up. Now we're gonna get a drop. And my one micro runner is still alive. Oh my gosh. We get it? It's a drop? My one micro runner survived. Holy shit. It's going. I'm almost up 20 points. The
That's it?
earnings came out and it didn't move. That's it. Yeah.
That's it. That's it for me. Taking the L. That's it for me. Cashing it out. I got too much to go on right now.
Nothing. Hey man, you made 40, 50K in the last few days, dude. Still be happy.
Oh, no, I don't care.
Dude, you're fucking killing it, brother. Fucking killing it. Keep killing it. We ain't stopping, bro. We're doing our thing forever. Until I'm 100 years old, maybe, if I, start taking care of myself a little bit better. Yeah, I'm out of it. I got trailed out on that little spike up. I moved my trail down just because it did nothing. It did absolutely nothing. Forever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever. He made 14 bucks. Everybody that just YOLO'd Nvidia calls or puts right now, did Nvidia even move? Let's take a little peek-sees. Let's take a peek-sees at Nvidia. Ooh, we're getting a little blue. We're getting a blue, man. You might be alive, bro.
Oh!
Whoa!
Oh!
There you go. It was
That's huge.
delayed.
Huge.
Nvidia. Oh, the market already closed on Nvidia.
Huge. Huge,
There you
huge,
go,
huge.
dude. Look at that spike up to 424. Nvidia's done, already closed. So I can't even take a peek at it. All right.
Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I already closed out the trade. I didn't even take it. I just took the L. I'm going to be honest. I didn't get that W. Would have been nice. I'll be transparent. I closed it out. I'll just be honest with you
That
guys.
was a
I could
huge
lie.
spike up.
I could make it more entertaining and lie to you guys, but
This could stay over 400. It could keep going. This needs to stay over 400 though. It's last minute, right? There's 30 seconds left. Nope. Could bounce. If it tries to bounce off this 91, maybe, but that failed to close above. Not a big fan of that. That's a huge wick. Potential, but who knows? If it holds 91, if it breaks 91, then we're going to test this bottom side 80 again. Then you would have 71 after that, but there's an advanced read bounce right off of 91 for a whopping 5 points. A whopping 5 points. Now we got a purple boy. Got that
All right, let's
purple
close
boy.
out of this. Fun power
Yeah.
hour. Javi gave away a
It
bunch of
was.
stuff. We're gonna call it here. I got a bunch of stuff. I got a meeting I got to get set up for. So thank you, everybody. Happy birthday to Javi. Fun power hour.
Thank you, bro.
And everybody, we will see you all tomorrow. Later.
Peace out.